Hey everybody, it is Melissa and I am checking out a product I already own. This product is called Ministry of Freedom and it is a much more high-end course that I'm going to be talking about. So what I'm going to do is kind of give you a little insight into the product, what is all included, and the benefits of this product. So, Ministry of Freedom starts with shows your bonuses, and then you have a community support section. So let's look at the product real quick here. So again, this is my product. This is the back end of the product, and it will give you your dashboard. It gives you the Facebook group that you are exclusively going to be a part of. There will be course introduction, and in that particular section, there's a welcome. Anytime you need support, you get this pink pop-up here where you can ask questions. It goes over how this product works, the 60 days to 10K formula, and then there is the tips for getting started. And you can always back up into your next section. There is a live weekly question and answer call that you can participate in. The quick start guide gives you something like this. So it gives you kind of all of the things that you're going to need to sign up with. Almost all of these are free tools. So Warrior Plus, these are affiliate programs, and you're basically making videos on YouTube to review certain things that come out, certain products, softwares, courses, things of that nature. And you are then helping people find out about them and what it is that could benefit their income, their business, their clients, and that you can direct people to and get a commission on. There is how you can create basically your reviews, your thumbnails, and everything in the middle. There is the week one, they'll give you kind of a breakdown of mindset. It's a very substantial course. It's a very, kicked me out of that part. Very substantial course. There's organic modules, the tools and applications that you would need, and it's a lot of the computer, microphone, different studio creators, and every type of new, like Muncheye, autoresponders, and things that will help benefit your business. I do love right now, I'm just going to show you the bonuses, where if you become a full paying member, then Jono Armstrong, or Jono is how he calls himself, he created this evergreen course, and his entire team will set up everything for you to have the best possible income potential with his system. He sends you sales via a rotator. Full pay members get all these bonuses. Plus he has other bonuses that are explained. I'm just going to show you that really quickly here. Let me just kind of...
This is all about.
All right, so here's the bonus page. So you get a done for you setup from A to Z, which is valued at $5,000. He will personally send you 2 times per week sales, 3-in-1 software automation suite, passive income accelerator. There's the commission doubler, perpetual digital asset library, red carpet affiliate promotional access, a 4-figure commission boost, and free $100 promotional campaign credit towards Google Ads. So those are the bonuses included, and then you get support. and you can request right away your affiliate link for this particular product right when you begin. And I am showing you this particular course, because I am taking this course myself. I've taken it, implemented, and I would love to share this with people who are on the YouTube journey, have found YouTube to be a great source of an audience that really connects with them, and what you've already shared, they're looking to hear how you can help them. So this particular course truly gives you the tools, the software in terms of where to promote things that can benefit yourself and your clients and or your customers, and where you can locate all of those tools through this particular course. And then the big community and Facebook group that helps you and shares and gives you so many tips in growing your business and your income at the same time. So I am extremely excited to have taken the course and learning from Jono and his team, and I continue to learn every single day in growing my income. So I would love to be able to point somebody in the direction of Ministry of Freedom with Jono Armstrong and his team, like I was pointed in the direction of and had decided to purchase, and it was a very good decision for me. And this is my personal course. I'm showing you an in-depth look in the back end of it. So I hope this helps. You can become a full-time paying member and get all the perks. There is a payment plan option as well, but I will leave my link in the description below, and grab that link. Check out everything. He's got the bonuses in that particular course that are valued at over $28,000. And again, there you have live access to calls, help, and the group, the Facebook group. So I'm going to leave that link. I'm going to leave it here, guys, and I hope you found some beneficial value in learning about Ministry of Freedom course and how it can boost your income. Thanks again. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.